Hi guys, it's me, Pipey here, and today I'm going to show you my fidgets. So let's get started. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, give this video a big thumbs up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did it in that time, comment down below, fidgets. So let's get started. The first fidget I'm going to do is my infinity cube. I love this infinity cube. I actually traded it today. I actually traded my other infinity cube today. And I have a snapper. I got this one today. And then I got this color changing needle. And I got my pop tubes. You guys know what I should do after at the end of this video? I should connect all these, connect them, and say, "Hello, I love fidgets." And I'll put a little surprise. So now I have my poppets. I have a mini poppet. And I have this poppet. It's actually like, the bubbles are hard, but it feels good. So then I have my marble meshes. I have 4 marble meshes. And I'm actually going to get a dimple set, so yeah. This one has double marbles. So now we're gonna move on to Brooklyn's fidget. So the first fidget we have for Brooklyn is this squishy smiley face ball. And then we have this pink thing. Ready? Watch this. It's really fun. Look. And then we have her poppet. This is a star, really good poppet. The bubbles are not as hard as mine. This is the quiet side, and then this is the loud side. It doesn't really have a loud side. And then we have her turtle mochi. Monkey noodle. And then we have her monkey noodle. You guys want to know something that you could do with your pop tubes? When you stretch them out, 2 things that you can do with your pop tubes. When you swirl them around, it makes a whistle sound. And 3 things now. Did you know you can connect them? Oh, wrong side. Connect them. 1 big pop tube. And then once you put them back together, you put it like this, stick your fingers in the holes, and then pull. and it doesn't make the sound because look, when I put this back together, watch how loud it is. And then when I put this one back together, it's so hard. They did make a little bit of sound, but not as much. So now I'm going to do what I promised. Ready?
Hello, I'm a fidget. Hello.
I did not know that. That's so cool. Well, see you guys later. Bye.